Hey, this is Don, and you're watching
Adventure TV.
Yeah. We made it. I never did that before, but knowing I could do it, I'm gonna do it again. This is my first time taking the Jeep off-road. This is the 5 things I love about my Jeep. Number 1, this is all-terrain, all-purpose. Number 2, because it's a combination of both 4x4 trail rated and the lift. Look how easy it gets up this. 3, it's these mud tires. Number four is this aggressive look. I mean, I know I don't have the best looking Jeep in the world, but the black on black I can't be. You know, it just carries that aggressive look. So that's number 4 I love about my Jeep, is this aggressive look. Number 5 is basically the overall feeling that I get when I'm driving a Jeep. Knowing that I don't have any obstacles. And I mean, of course, every Jeep has an obstacle, and every vehicle has an obstacle. And of course, Jeep ain't going through everything, but my ability is just, thing I love is just the ability to take it anywhere, like across streams. Well, that stump was trying to stop me. Trying to stop my back wheels. Nope. It's a nice end. Can't beat this. Woo! And that's why I love my Jeep. I've never got her this money before. I hope y'all enjoyed that. As you can see, this is the 5 reasons why I love my Jeep. Until next time, please subscribe, like, share if you want to see more off-road videos. It's been fun. That's why I love doing this. This is my therapy session, another one of my therapy sessions besides fishing. But if you want to see more videos like this, please, again, like, share, comment. Until then, I'm Don, Adventure TV 919. Peace.